As more businesses enter into the crypto sphere by fusing the underlying blockchain technology with their business processes, SBI Remit, through the Ripple company, has launched one of the most significant on-demand liquidity services in Japan. SBI Holdings is an investor and the most prominent external shareholder in the Ripple company and the parent company of SBI Remit. The Japan-based fintech firm SBI Remit, reputed as the biggest money transfer provider in all of Japan and also one of the most prominent digital wallet service providers in the Philippines, has joined the ranks of existing ODL customers in APAC such as Novati and Tranglo in playing a crucial role on RippleNet as fiat on and off ramps. On the other hand, XRP, the digital asset of the Ripple platform, is still looking somewhat bearish in the shorter timeframes. If we take a quick look at the trend following tool, which is the moving average convergence divergence, we could see the formation of a sell signal from this regard, as it appeared during the period when the 12-day exponential moving average crossed below the 26-day EMA. It's pertinent to add that the odds for a bearish outlook at this point get a little heightened as the MACD moves closer to the mean line. However, this coin is going to more figures once Ripple reaches a settlement with the SEC and as soon as the market stabilizes. Could it hit $1,000? Well, let's find out. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. The APAC region is exploding with growth and opportunities for RippleNet in response to progressive crypto regulation and innovative companies such as SBI Remit looking to lead in the crypto space. With the Asia-Pacific region registering newer growth in these times, having transactions ranging to 130% year-over-year is one of Ripple's fastest growing regions. On the charts, XRP encounters a trend that looks to be of a reverse gear momentum at full throttle. Currently, XRP is trading at around the 71 cents margin right after it went into a face-off and subsequent rejection from 78 cents. Throughout the beginning of the past month's upswing, XRP's price action entailed the formation of an ascending parallel pattern. The upper edge contributed by the channel towards the overhead pressure had truncated XRP's chances of hitting anywhere between the 80 cents to $1 margin. On the intraday levels for XRP's price, we've got the spot rate pegged at 71.2 cents. And as the bearish trend continues to rear its ugly head, the volatilities continue to increase. While XRP registers a resistance zone between 75 and 78 cents with a support level of 50 SMA at 70 cents. On the other hand, the breakdown below the middle boundary had put the bears in a perfect position to control the market. However, the bears still stand a better chance if they could take hold and influence more buy-ins that could push the price of XRP upwards, at least to the point around the 50 moving average and the channel's lower boundary, as this would ensure that all losses are not stretched to the 70 cents margin and explores lower levels than that. I bet you XRP would top out by the end of the year with figures nobody ever expected. Keep in mind that these corporations and venture capitalists would do anything to onboard before anybody else, hence would do anything to get into your minds and register the idea that XRP wouldn't get to greater heights. Might as well never get past the $1 mark ever again. But tell you what, this digital asset is going to hit 2 digits by the end of the year, then to 3 digits by the next year or two, even reaching between 4 to 5 digits as time goes on. And that's why you need to hodl on the longest. Don't sell your XRP, because all they would like is to get it off your hands at the cheapest cost possible. And the best way to do that is by selling the hate game on XRP to its enthusiasts and hodlers. As one prominent crypto analyst indicates, this is all to get you to sell before they really let it rip to 4 to 5 digits. You want to know what the good part is? XRP is just getting started, as this coin would be creating a series of ripple effects around the world in no time. If we're to look at XRP's price surge against the top 2 digital currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, we could see that this asset is doing quite well, as its volume has surged by nearly 100% in Q2 of 2021 alone, even amid the entire crypto market's volatility. According to CoinDesk's data, XRP has registered year-to-date gains ranging to more than 200%, while Bitcoin and Ethereum still tarry around the 33% and 250% year-to-date returns, respectively. Following a recent publication reported by Ripple from the blockchain insights platform Crypto Compare Top Tier, XRP's Q2 volatility was also significant when compared to that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The standard deviation on the daily returns for XRP through the second quarter of 2021 was 11.5% and even more volatile than Bitcoin's at 5% and Ethereum's at 7.3%. And this trend is made possible due to XRP's volatility in early April, as the CCTT report goes on to specify that CCCT's reported daily volume for XRP increased significantly in Q2 from Q1 of 2021. The average daily volume reported doubled to 4.49 billion in Q2 versus 2.26 billion in the previous quarter. Notably, XRP volumes posted 4 of the highest volume days ever recorded. Similarly, the IMF boss, Georgieva Kristalina, during an interview with CNN, had weighed on El Salvador's move to adopt Bitcoin as the country's legal tender, and indicated that it's a sovereign decision, but it doesn't make it a good decision. Going over to the NFT market, which is another branch of meeting blockchain technology with tokenization methodologies, Ripple had also entered into a partnership relationship with Mintable, an NFT marketplace designed for users who wish to seamlessly create, buy, and sell digital items using fiat or cryptocurrency. Just as these NFTs have come with a long-term potential to accelerate the digital content creation ecosystem, it also opens access to widespread adoption of the modern financial system, just as it inspires new business ideas, which is precisely within the niche and reach of the Ripple company. Based on findings, the gaming industry is ahead of the curve by a wide margin, as it had an overall revenue of $54 billion from the sale of virtual goods to own, trade, and sell in 2020 alone. This is but the beginning for this market. Ripple, through the integration of the XRP token into the Mintable NFT marketplace, would be unlocking its access to newer clientele, as billions of NFTs get minted, bought, and transferred in the most efficient and cost-effective manner, just as the entire cryptocurrency market explodes. On the flip side, Ripple X's proposed functionality of providing super sophisticated support to these NFT platforms on the XRP ledger would allow developers to leverage auction functionality on the underlying platform's decentralized exchange at lower cost. Even though the relative strength index adds more credibility to the bearish narrative, especially given the progressive retreat from the oversold position, the bears could get more hold of the market if the RSI registers its movement below the midline while closing the gap to the oversold area. We've got BitBoy Crypto sharing his views on where he sees the price of XRP hitting 2 digits by the end of 2021. Buying XRP is a sure deal, guys, because the price of this digital asset is going to rip. We've got billionaires like Mark Cuban and Steve Wynn endorsing this asset as a great investment opportunity. We've also got financial analysts like Rosalind Layton, who just like BitBoy Crypto sees a greater opportunity for this coin once the lawsuit settles. In his words, BitBoy Crypto hinted that, "I can see XRP easily breaking $15, peaking at around $22. So if you've been able to scoop up some XRP, you will not be disappointed if you hold." Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment, and we'll see you next time.